Picture this: you're scrolling through your feed, and suddenly, a notification pops up. Health declared obsolete? How can health be obsolete? Stick around because we'll dive deep into this tiny word that carries the weight of our entire existence. Today, we're zeroing in on a word you've probably heard a million times, but have you ever really thought about what it means? That's right, and we're talking about health. It's not just about avoiding the sniffles or fitting into your favorite jeans. It's so much more, and trust me, by the end of this video, you'll never look at this 6-letter word the same way again. Now, let's be honest for a second. When was the last time you stopped to think about your health? For most of us, it's when something goes wrong. We get a cold, twist an ankle, or suddenly can't button up our pants. But here's the problem: we're treating health like a fire extinguisher, only reaching for it when there's smoke. But what if I told you that approach is not just wrong but potentially dangerous? Let's start by breaking down what health means. The World Health Organization defines it as a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. That's a mouthful, right? But it's saying something crucial. Health isn't just about not being sick. It's about thriving in every aspect of your life. Think about it like this: imagine your body is a car. Most people only worry about their vehicle when the check engine light comes on. But we all know that's not the best way to maintain a car. You need regular oil changes, tire rotations, and general upkeep to keep it running smoothly. Your health is the same. But here's where it gets interesting. Health isn't just about your body. It's about your mind, emotions, relationships, and even your purpose in life. It's all connected. Have you ever noticed how stress can give you headaches or hurt your stomach? Or how can a good laugh with friends make you feel energized and alive? That's the mind-body connection in action. Let's break it down further. Physical health is what most people think of first. It's about keeping your body in good working order. This includes eating a balanced diet, regular exercise, and getting enough sleep. But it's not just about looking good in a swimsuit. It's about having the energy and strength to do the things you love, whether playing with your kids, hiking a mountain, or simply carrying your groceries without breaking a sweat. Then there's mental health. This is a big one, and unfortunately it's often overlooked. Mental health includes your emotional, psychological, and social well-being. It affects how we think, feel, and act. It also helps determine how we handle stress, relate to others, and make choices. When your mental health improves, you're better equipped to handle life's challenges, work productively, and contribute to your community. Now, let's talk about spiritual health. This doesn't necessarily mean religion, although it might for some people. Spiritual health is about having a sense of purpose and meaning in life. It's about understanding your place and feeling connected to something bigger than yourself. This could come from religious beliefs, a connection with nature, a passion for art or music, or a dedication to a cause you believe in. Health isn't just about six-pack abs or drinking kale smoothies. It's not even just about living longer. The real meaning of health is way bigger, and way more powerful, than that. But here's the problem: most of us chase it backward. We focus on the surface stuff while ignoring the core. So, let's break it down. What does health mean? And why does getting this wrong keep you stuck? Health isn't a checklist. It's not eat this, not that, or do these 10 exercises. Yet that's exactly how we treat it. We see influencers peddling quick fixes, losing 20 pounds in a month, and reversing aging with one weird trick, and we think that's health. But real health? It's not something you buy. It's not something you force. It's something you build. And the reason most people fail isn't laziness. It's because they're aiming at the wrong target. Even doctors reduce health to numbers: blood pressure, cholesterol, BMI. But here's the truth: you can have perfect lab results and still feel like garbage. Why? Because health isn't just physical. It's mental. It's emotional. It's social. The ancient Greeks had a word for it, holos, meaning whole. And that's what we've lost. Let's break it down. The World Health Organization defines health as a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being. Not just not sick. Complete well-being. That means physical health isn't just about being ripped. It's energy. It's moving without pain. It's your body working for you, not against you. Mental health isn't just not being depressed. It's clarity. Focus. Waking up excited instead of anxious. Social health is the secret weapon nobody talks about. Loneliness is deadlier than obesity. But we obsess over macros and ignore our need for connection. Modern life attacks all three. We sit all day, drown in screens, and call likes connections. No wonder we're exhausted. But here's the good news: small shifts compound. You don't need to overhaul your life. You just need to redirect it. They told you health is complex. That's expensive. That you need supplements, personal trainers, and a 5 a.m. routine. But the most impactful things are free. Sleep. One night of lousy sleep tanks your immune system like a week of junk food. Walking. Just 30 minutes a day cuts depression risk by 26%. Laughter. It lowers stress hormones faster than meditation. Health isn't punishment. It's joy. It's not about living longer, it's about living better. And that starts with redefining the word itself. So forget the extremes. Health isn't a destination. The small choices, the extra hour of sleep, the 5-minute walk, the phone call with a friend, add up to a life you don't want to escape from. The word health doesn't mean perfect. It means alive. One word can shift your whole perspective. If this video made you see the word health in a new way, then hit that subscribe button and comment on how this one word affected you. Because next time we're diving into another word that can change your life, and you won't want to miss it.